So after creating your Interact account, next step is to connect a number to that account. To do so, click on connect your number. Here, you will see some important instructions before you connect your number. While the choice of number is completely yours, we recommend connecting a new number that is not registered with normal or business WhatsApp, and the reasons are explained over here. Next, you might also want to read and understand the difference between WhatsApp API and WhatsApp personal or business app. Then make sure that your business isn't a part of any of these industries mentioned over here. If your business is a part of any of these industries, then please don't connect your number, as WhatsApp might ban your number. And lastly, before starting the connection process, make sure that you are admin in your company's Facebook Business Manager account. Also ensure that you have arranged a phone number which you will be using as your WhatsApp Business API number. In case you don't have a Facebook Business Manager, you would need a website or a social media profile page URL to create a Facebook Business Manager account. As the part of next steps, you have to click on this checkbox given over here and then continue. You will see a pop-up with certain prerequisites. This is something which I've already covered, so you just have to click on the checkbox and continue again. Now, if your business is located in India, you get two options. First, if your business is already verified, you can go to the option at the bottom left. If you click on this option, you end up on this page where you have to continue with the steps in order to connect your number. Now there's a second option which says proceed for verification. We'll click on that option. Over here, you get two options to choose from. First, verify your business through a GST certificate, whereas a second option to continue without a GST certificate. Continuing with GST certificate comes with few advantages. Your display name gets automatically approved. You are eligible to apply for the green tick, which is apparently blue tick now, and your Facebook Business Manager account is verified instantly, allowing you to send notifications to 1,000 customers per day. If you continue without a GST certificate, you will need to submit the display name request separately, and meta verification process may take up to 72 hours, and post that, you can send messages to 1,000 customers and apply for the green tick. Now, we will select the first option which says upload GST certificate. Now make sure that you are handy with your GST certificate. So this will take some time to upload. Meanwhile, you can check the details as the business location should be India. Over here again, you get two options, verify via website and proceed for verification. We will select the second option which says proceed for verification. Now once you click on this option, over here, you will have to add the legal name of your business. We will go for Interakt Test, and you will have to select the subcategory. And over here, you will have to add the address of your business. Now there's one thing that you need to remember, that this address and the legal business name should exactly match the information which is mentioned on your GST certificate. Now click on continue with Facebook. You will have to continue with the steps in order to correct your number. We will continue here and then click on get started. Now once you click on get started, you will end up on this page where Facebook will ask you to create a new business portfolio. This new business portfolio is basically your Facebook Business Manager account. If you already have one, you can click on the drop down and select the relevant account. Else, you can create a new business portfolio, which is basically a new Facebook Business Manager account. After that, you have to enter the business name and make sure that you enter the complete website URL and select the relevant country and then click on next. In the next step, you will basically have to create a new WhatsApp business account and also a WhatsApp business profile. So we already have one, so we are selecting the existing one. Else, you will have to create a new WhatsApp business account and then click on next. In the next step, you will give the name of your WhatsApp business account over here and then select the, and basically you will have to add the display name which will be visible to the customer on their WhatsApp, and then you will have to select the relevant category and then click on next. Now this is the last step. Over here, you basically get two options to verify your number, which is text message and phone call, right? Just make sure that you use the correct country code, which is going to be, in this case, it is going to be India. Make sure you enter the API number that you want to use and select the relevant option. And once you verify your phone number, after 5 minutes, you can use your Interakt account.